Hi friends, let's make Play-Doh and let's make some Play-Doh roads. Here's a recipe so you can make it at home with your parents. This one I made black so we can make a road. Are you ready? We need our Play-Doh and we're going to roll our Play-Doh out, or we can use a hammer and pound, 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 and then we can roll, and then we can make a road. I already made some of the road because it takes a while to make it. And you just play with your Play-Doh, pat, 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 pat. Make it look like a road. Pat it, pat it, pat it, pat it, pat it, pat it, pat it. And then you can roll it again if you want. Or pound it. So it looks like a road now. Okay, and then we can make some rocks. Look at this. With our Play-Doh, we can roll it in our hands and make a rock. We're gonna put them there for the dump truck to pick them up and dump them. See that? Roll, roll. Okay, let's go, dump truck. We're gonna pick up some rocks on the way. 1, 2. Uh-oh, they fell out. 1, 2, 3. Around the circle. Woo! All the way to the rock mine. Dump. Let's go, medium truck. Pick up a rock. Oh, I ran over a rock. Pick up more rocks. Dump. Little one, here we go. Whee! Oh, I ran over a rock. Pick it up. Round the circle. Dump. Wow, that's fun. You can do so much with this. I hope you enjoy. Make some rocks and make a road and have a good old time. Take care, friends. See ya.